Hey y'all, how are y'all doing today? Hope everything's going great with y'all. Y'all ever get like deja vu when y'all record things? Just saying, because it feels like I did this already. So, kind of gotta go over a couple things with you. The first part of our recording messed up somehow and didn't get saved or whatever. So I've already kind of done this project, but I will show you exactly what I'm talking about in the beginning of it like this. So my idea is I'm wanting to make it easy just to back up to, I've got a 16-foot trailer or any other kind of trailer I'd get that would have a ball hitch on it. To use my tractor just to back up to it, to move it around the property easy, since we don't have a lot of room right now to get my truck in here to kind of move and shift things around. So all I'm doing is taking the receiver hitch that I had extra one for my truck. I'm just taking just some little brackets, pick up at your Home Depot or Lowe's or anywhere, little square U-bolt things. It comes with a little plate and a couple nuts. Of course, I still need to probably, I'm thinking about, I should have probably got me some little lock washers to put underneath here. And possibly thinking about this piece of metal, I need to maybe find something a little thicker so it's a little stronger. So we're still going to see how everything works out. And these are a 5/16, 2 inches, because this is 2 inches. And then I got a 3-inch one and a 5-inch one that I've already run through here on the receiver hitch. And all I did was just kind of stuck it in and bent it a little bit to where I could loop it through and then just squeezed it back. So I didn't bend it a whole lot so I wouldn't hopefully weaken anything or break anything. And then the idea is, of course, is just to mount it right here in the middle part of the box blade so that I can just back up and pick up things that have the 2-inch ball on it. So, like I said, I already have this already put on, and you'll see that coming up here in a minute. We'll just finish back out with what I just wanted to make sure that you'd see a good look of what I was using, and my idea with it, not here, and how to put it on. And so, that's all coming up. So, hope you enjoy. Stick around. So, took the nuts and everything off that. I'm going to mark it with this little Sharpie. Look at there. Already marked up. Well, and now let's see if this drill bit is even going to be good enough to go through the metal. So far, so good looking. Probably should actually have me probably some oil. I think my dad used to always kind of spray like a little oil or something when he'd drill with metal. If y'all kind of know offhand, let me know. Put it in the comments, please. I think that's how it is, because you want to try to keep everything cool so that you don't break bits, I guess. Now let's see if I got my hole big enough. Seems to here. I guess if I had a wire brush would probably be a little better too. Well, let's see how well. And I'm also just trying to do it this way just to see if it's going to work out for just the height and everything compared to the box blade and what it lifts up. And I mean, I guess it probably would have been a better idea to weld it. Now I may end up welding, if it works out pretty good, I'll probably end up welding it later. Once I take a few more courses on trying how to weld better. Because I'm one of those mud dauber welders. I took a little welding in high school, and my dad used to weld. Just never picked up the skill real great yet. I mean, I can get stuff to stick together. It just doesn't look very pretty. I mean, no one would pay me for it, for sure. It looks kind of straight. And if you watched the last video, yes, I'm still doing pretty good. Knee still gives me a little bit of problems, you know, if I kind of press on it or touch it, but, you know, I'm still okay. Oh, and since, you know, everything kind of hit with, you know, Sean always telling me, you know, that I needed the pants. I ended up actually finding on Marketplace a fall arrest harness and stuff, so that now she won't worry when I go climb up in trees and stuff. So, and it actually got me to thinking too, going, you know, it might be a good thing. Think about the safety. So, I got one of those and got it really, really cheap, and it's in good shape too. So, every once in a while, you know, my wife comes up with some decent ideas and concerns.
Just say I'm always right.
But I sure the heck wouldn't go as far as she's always right, though. You know. That's kind of pushing it. You know, this looks probably a little bit a little odd with, I guess, the brackets on there, but I guess, you know, if it does work out, you know, my other thought is I don't know if I've got a lot of spots to actually just weld it to it. I mean, I guess I could cut this down shorter to weld it into this little groove here. Well, it's not budging. And hopefully, you know, I didn't over tighten anything. I didn't hear nothing break, so that's always a plus too. Let's get the tractor turned around, back up, hook up to it, and let's see if it's going to work like I want it to work. Well, picked it up, no problem. See if it'll move it around a little bit. Well, I kind of moved it forward, backwards a little bit, twisted it. Looks like all the metal's holding up on there just to kind of just move this trailer around. So, I'm going to say that's a success. Woohoo! Well, it seems like it's probably going to do what I want to do, so that's fantastic. All right, well, if this gave you any ideas, maybe help for yourself, and if you've got a better idea of how to do it, let me know. So, please, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe, and definitely share with your friends, please, so that we can share this with more people. Hit your little notification so that you always get, things coming. It's down there somewhere over here. I think the subscribe button's over in this area. The like thing, the thumbs up if you liked it. I think that's right over here somewhere. Bell's somewhere down here. I'm not sure. So have a great one. Y'all be careful. And until next time, have a good day now.